Hi, welcome back. Today we're talking about soup, and more soup. It's soup season, in case you haven't thought about it too much. And it always brings to mind that Shirley Temple song for me about animal crackers. Animal crackers in my soup, lions and tigers, loop-de-loop.
Animal crackers in my soup, monkeys and rabbits loop-the-loop. Gosh, oh gee, but I have fun.
Yes, a warm pot of yummy soup just hits the spot on a cold, windy day. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm Dr. Andrea Purcell. You are watching straight from the doctor's desk, where we specialize in menopause medicine, helping women with health and hormonal problems achieve the health and the life that they love using natural therapies. I want to cover a couple of important things about soup today and share a recipe with you. If you don't currently eat soup regularly, you might want to consider it after you hear these talking points. Homemade is always better than store-bought, and you can control the ingredients. I found that many store-bought soups have fillers in them, such as wheat, dairy, gluten, dairy especially in the cream-based soups. I've seen yeast in some soups as well. Soups can be thickened very nicely using potatoes as a base, especially in the squash or the asparagus soups, and then you just blend them up in a blender. And you don't even miss the dairy, so they're so hearty and filling and yummy. So today I want to run through all of the nutritional benefits of soup with you and then set you up with a recipe that's going to be on the blog so you can make soup at home. So I have, believe it or not, 9 reasons why soup is a good addition to any diet, and it's just amazing for food prep because you could always use it for more than one meal. So first off, I call it whole bowl nutrition. It's chock full of vitamins, minerals, and soups have the ability to just power pack in the nutrients, to be so nutrient dense with many vegetables blending together in a delicious and nutritious way. It's also a great way to increase your veggie intake on a day-to-day basis. Keeps you hydrated. Soups are mostly liquid, so they boost hydration and they make us feel full. They also are great at immune boosting. I have an immune boost soup. It's over on the blog. They give your immune system a boost, and they can help you fight off colds and flu viruses. They keep you warm in winter. That's why I'm wearing my signature fuzzy here. Nothing beats a bowl of warm soup on a cold day. They're also low in calories. So most people report feeling full after eating soup, and it doesn't have a lot of fat or high calorie things. Great for digestion. Super easy for the system to handle and digest, so really good for people with digestive issues. Anti-inflammatory, just a great way to get those nutrients in and reduce inflammation in the body. And again, great for food prepping, batch cooking, just easy to freeze, feed the whole family, put the rest in the freezer, make a new batch, or just portion it out over the week. So I hope I've given you some things to think about regarding soup, and maybe you will start adding soup to your weekly menu. If you're looking for more recipes, you can check me out on the web at www.drandreapurcell.com. And if you want to learn more about natural medicine, you can read about it over there as well. I hope you have a wonderful week.